Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book. MongoDB in Action 3rd Edition, MongoDB version 8, written by Eric Baruski.
Drawing on the author's extensive experience with large-scale MongoDB deployments, this book provides a comprehensive exploration of the NoSQL database. It highlights MongoDB's ability to efficiently store complex data structures due to its flexible schema. The book explores core server features and introduces the Atlas Developer Data Platform, highlighting advanced capabilities like vector search, full-text search, and stream processing. It covers multi-cloud deployments and automated scaling, making it essential for developers and database administrators. Document databases like MongoDB allow direct storage of objects, simplifying data persistence. They support intuitive querying and align with object-oriented programming principles. Unlike traditional relational databases with strict schemas, document databases offer flexibility, making them ideal for rapid development and scalable applications. MongoDB uses bsun for storing objects, supporting additional data types like dates and binary data. This flexibility allows for efficient data access and manipulation. MongoDB Query Language, MQL, provides an intuitive way to perform database operations, facilitating precise data querying and updating. As datasets grow, developers face the challenge of scaling databases. MongoDB is optimized for scaling out and distributing data across multiple servers through sharding. Sharding automates data balancing and load distribution, allowing MongoDB to handle large datasets and high-throughput operations. Key components of a MongoDB sharded cluster include Mongos, query router, config servers, and shards, replica sets. Starting with MongoDB version 8.0, configuration servers can be integrated with data nodes, reducing operational overhead. MongoDB, a popular NoSQL database, offers a comprehensive range of features across its different editions: Community Edition, Enterprise Advanced, and Atlas. Key features include powerful indexing capabilities, an advanced aggregation framework, real-time change streams, robust security functions, and specialized time series collections. MongoDB Atlas, a fully managed cloud service, enhances MongoDB with features like Atlas Search, Vector Search, Stream Processing, Data Federation, SQL Interface, Atlas Triggers, and Atlas Functions. With these enhancements, Atlas has evolved into a comprehensive developer data platform, supporting the entire application development lifecycle. Full-text search and vector search will be available in MongoDB Community Edition, simplifying the development of AI applications and supporting deployment in various environments. MongoDB 8.0 uses an enhanced version of TC-malloc, improving memory management and resilience under heavy workloads. This enhanced TC-malloc optimizes memory allocation in multi-threaded applications, reducing fragmentation and boosting overall performance. The MongoDB Query API is the primary method for interacting with data, encompassing CRUD operations and aggregation pipelines. It supports ad hoc queries, data transformations, document joins, graph and geospatial queries, full-text search, vector search, on-demand materialized views, and time series analysis.
Get this book at manning.com